Okay, this is still review 5-1. We're going to do problems 7 through 10 real quick. Basically, think of these as just solving for x. Okay, forget the fact that there's a fourth here. Forget the fact that there's a fourth here. Forget the fact that there's a 3 here. Just start off by solving for x. We'll take care of the exponent is the last thing we'll do, except in this case. Think of this as one big x. Then you got to take care of the exponent. That's the only exception. So if you want to try them, go for it. I would suggest you do that, but otherwise, here we go. So we need to solve down to that. So we divide by 6, which is 486. Quit. 486 divided by 6 is 81. Divided both by 6. So it's x to the fourth equals 81. And so from here I can take the fourth root of both sides. Because remember, the root cancels out the exponent, cancels out the index. The index cancels out the exponent. So here we go, we got x equals plus or minus, and the fourth root of 81 is 3. Remember, if you have an even root, there's a plus or minus answer. If you have an odd root, it's just what you get. Okay? There's only the 1. So, there you go. Number 8, same idea. If you feel it in bold to try the rest, go for it. Pause it and get going. Otherwise, we're going to start here. Number 8, your biggest inclination is to distribute that in. Do not do that. All right? Remember, PEMDAS. You have to take care of the exponent before you can multiply. Okay? So the other way of getting rid of the 2 is it's multiplying, so just divide. So we're left with x minus 6 to the fourth equals 80 divided by 2 is 40. Okay? From here we'll take the fourth root. So here we go. Fourth root. So we get x minus 6 equals, and you can't take the fourth root of 40, so we're just going to say plus or minus the fourth root of 40. And the last but not least, you got to move the 6 over and make it positive. So we got x equals 6 plus or minus the fourth root of 40. Now that's as far as I'm going to ask you to go on your test. I am. The other teachers might not. The fourth root of 40. Actually, let me think here. Fourth root 2 to the fourth is 16th. 3 to the fourth is 8. Nope, you can't even reduce that. That's as far as it goes. Never mind. All right, number 9. Again, just start off solving for your x value right there. All right, get down to just that. So we'll move the 100 over. So we got negative 1 over 10 x cubed equals negative 100. All right, and this out front. This says divide by negative 10. All right, remember the top part of the fraction multiplies, the bottom part divides. So we need to multiply both sides by a negative 10. All right, which that's a multiply, not a negative, not a minus. Anyways, so here we go. Those cancel out. Actually, the negatives cancel out because the negative times negative is positive. So we got x cubed, and 100 times 10 is 1,000. All right, so the last thing to do to get rid of a cube, you cube root it. So we got x equals, the cube root of 1,000 is 10. And remember, if it's an odd numbered root, if it's an odd root, you only get one answer. Now there are 3 10s in that answer. All right, remember that is a triple root, but there's only one x-intercept. All right, there's just 3 of the same thing. All right, last one, number 10. What is the side length of a cube with a volume of 21,097? Okay, cube. Remember, a cube. All right, side length of a cube with a volume of 2197. Okay, so here we go. Volume equals the base times length times height. But a cube, base, length, and height are all the same. So it is whatever that side is to the third power. Okay? Well, we know the volume. So 2197 equals s cubed. We'll take the cube root. of both sides. So S, and I believe this is 13, to be honest. Yep, it is. And there you go. That's how you solve for x in these situations. Just solve for x like you would for anything else and take care of the exponent. The only exception is number 8, where you need to get rid of everything on the outside, get rid of the 2, then take the fourth root, and then take care of the inside. All right? You got to follow your PEMDAS rules for that.